Welcome to the Premium GMtracker. This is the starting page of the app where you can launch the application, you can download the Excel template file, and you can discover some more information via these information buttons. The first tab of the application is where you upload and browse your data. You can download the template here again. Let's have a look at how the template Excel file looks like. Here is the template Excel file. You have the names here. If you repeat the name with the same spelling, it will be treated as repeated data. Here is the basic anthropometric data, and here is the fitness test data. Now, please note that you can add any fitness data of your choice, and the app will automatically recognize the tests. Let's go back to the application. So you start by uploading your Excel file with your player data. You will get an overview to the right here and on the mid page. You can also get an overview of the fitting tests uploaded here. And here you can add your custom benchmarks. You can set the test directions. Sprint should be lower values or better, for example. And here you can select your reference data set when you express maturity timing. The next tab is the Player Analysis tab. Here you select the player you would want to look at. And you'll get some growth charts, some velocity growth charts here. And you have the maturity assessment overview of the player in terms of percentage of predicted adult height, chronological age, biological age, etc. Here you have the overview of the player's fitness test value in the individual tests. And here is a comparison how the player stands in comparison to the group, in age group and biological age group. And you can also look at this test by test here. The third tab is the Team Analysis tab. You get an overview of the percentage of predicted adult height here and the growth remaining. You get an overview of the maturity status distribution and other things. Down here you have an interactive plot showing the percentage of predicted adult height versus the growth velocity on the y-axis. You also have a sub-tab for fitness rankings within the group and for progress tracking of players. The final tab is recommendations. The app will identify players with heightened risk in terms of injury risk factors, as you can see here. It outlines these players in different groups here. And here you have a sub-tab with training recommendations depending on the maturity status of the players. Finally, in the third sub-tab, you can create your own custom training or competition groups by different methods down here. That's it. I hope you take the time to explore the Premium GMtracker. Thank you.